Alright guys, here we're trying to connect the Pro-M clutch pigtail. You see the one at the top of the screen there, that's the one with that's towards the rear of the vehicle, the red wires with the blue tracers. That's the one that remains. And the one at the bottom, that's the one where we're going to unplug the factory wiring and plug in our new clutch pigtail from Pro-M to activate the no lift shift and or the two-step rev limiter. All right, so I'm gonna squeeze in here and get this done. The instructions clearly state the pigtail has a red and brown wire. On the website, that's true. Look here, sure enough, that's the picture, red and brown wires. Okay, what I received, purple and blue wires. Okay, I'm gonna go on the assumption here, looking at the plug on the website, the way it's oriented there, you can see the those letters PED, and it looks like a trough at the top of the switch here. You know, if I orient mine the same way, then I'm going to assume, in this case, purple is red and blue is brown. I don't know, maybe somebody that was colorblind wired these, but if I look on the opposite side of this switch, you see it's easily discernible from side to side, or because this one has an actual slot on this side, whereas the one on the website, you know, we can clearly orient which side is which. So I'm going to just assume, hopefully correctly, that if I orient mine the same way it is on the website, that red is now purple and brown is now blue. So if you guys run into this same situation, you'll be able to check back here on this video to see if it worked or not. So here we go. The brown wire in the right kick panel should be coiled up nice and neat, and we're going to run it over to the other side and hook up to our clutch switch pigtail. Alright guys, no lift shift. We're going to attempt to do a demonstration here. My daughter here is going to try to film the RPM gauge, and I'm going to try to keep my foot on the floor here. Let's see what happens. Just wait for these cars to get by. Okay, you try to film RPM gauge there. Ready?
Yep.
Able to see that. I hesitated with my foot on the gas on the shift to the third there. It's still difficult to make myself keep the gas pedal on the floor, but you saw when I shifted second gear, I had the gas pedal on the floor and the RPMs dropped all the way down. So I mean, it's basically shifting for you. So there you go, demonstration of no lift shift. Pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching.